আমরা কিছু নতুন ইংরেজি রাইম শিখব। চলো তাহলে শুরু করি। Brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth morning and at night. Gently brush them up and down for sparkling teeth so white. Brush, brush, brush your teeth morning and at night. Gently brush them up and down for sparkling teeth so white. God is great. God is great and God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hand we all are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Now start with me. God is great and God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hand we all are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say how do you do, but he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Now start with me. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 and I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say how do you do, but he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Even and odd numbers. Come on everybody, say the even numbers that we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The even numbers that we know. Come on everybody, say the odd numbers that we know. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The odd numbers that we know. Now starts with me. Come on everybody, say the even number that we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The even numbers that we know. Come on everybody, say the odd numbers that we know. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The odd numbers that we know.